Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Nah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be making roasted chicken in the oven. This part I'm going to be mixing the ingredients I need for marinating. So this is a mixture of different ingredients, spices, and then I add in my garlic powder, white pepper, this is chicken masala, this is pepper like paprika, and rosemary. So you want to mix the ingredients like this. We add in a little bit of oil to make a paste. So you want to dry the chicken before you marinate it. You can add the salt in the spices, or you can just put it on at this stage. I am squeezing the lemon juice on the chicken because it helps to take away some bacteria and to take away the scent. So then we come with our mixed spices. So we cover the chicken with this plastic folio and then let it rest in the fridge. So this is our chicken after marinating for 2 hours. I'm just gonna add on a little bit of the spices. After marinating my chicken, I'm stuffing it with some lemon, carrots, potatoes, garlic, all inside. So this is the chicken. I'm going to put it in the oven at 190 degrees. And then I'm going to cook it for 1.5 hours, but I'm going to be checking on it every 30 minutes and adding on more spices to see how it gets, but I'm hoping by 1.5 hours it will be golden brown and then it will be ready. I'm going to supplement the chicken with some roasted potatoes. So we are going to peel the potatoes, slice them, and then marinate them. So I'm going to marinate my potatoes and vegetables in the same pot as I used for the chicken. I'm just spreading them over on the tray. This is the final product we have. Earlier I said you put it in the oven for 1.5 hours, but I ended up doing 2 hours because so here is my final product. I'm serving my roasted chicken with some vegetables and potatoes. As you can see, it really tasted good. I hope you guys like the video, and if you like it, share it, comment, and remember to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.